Hello, teacher. My name is Rufina Alejandra Perez Lavao. This is my oral exam. Inventions had a profound impact on human life. Throughout history, here are some key aspects of this impact. Improving quality of life, many inventions from the wheel to electric have made daily tasks easier and improved comfort, allowing, allowing people to live more eventing and with greater well-being. Advance in health, innovation in medicine, such as penicillin and vaccines, have increased life expectancy and reduced mortality from disease. Medical technology as revolution, diagnosis and treatment, communication and connection. The invention of telegraph, telephone, and more recently the internet has transformed how people communication and connect, breaking down geographical and cultural barriers. Economic change. Technological innovation have driven the development of industries and transformed economies. For example, the Industrial Revolution led to urbanization and creation of factory jobs. Culture and education. The invention of printing press and later digital media has democratized access information